everybody. Welcome to English Fluency Center YouTube channel. Muraho neza mwese, muhawe ikaze kuri YouTube channel yitwa English Fluency Center. This is your English teacher, Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye from Rwanda. Muri kumwe na mwarimu wanyu w'icyongereza Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye uturuka mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Today I'm going to teach you regular speaking basics. Uyu munsi ngiye kubigisha iby'ibanze byagufasha kuvuga mu gihe gihoraho icyongereza. Our topic for today is small talk. Uyu munsi insanganyamatsiko tugiye kuvugaho ni ibiganiro bigufi. Let's get started. Mureke tujye mbere. In this small talk, I'll be reading sentences that have been spoken by person one. Muri iki kiganiro ndaza kuba mvuga interuro zavuzwe n'umuntu wa mbere, and sentences that have been spoken by the second person. N'interuro zavuzwe n'umuntu wa kabiri. Hi Jill, how are you doing? Komera Jill, umeze ute? I'm doing great. How are you doing? Meze neza. Wowe umeze ute? I'm doing well myself. Nanjye ubwanjye meze neza. What have you been up to lately? Mu minsi ishize waruhugiye mu biki? Well, I just started to work at the bank. Rero, nibwo gitangira gukora kuri bank. So, I'm pretty busy learning everything. Nicyo gituma ndimo kwiga, mpugiranye niga ibintu buri kimwe. Does that mean you already finished school? Ese ibyo bisobanuye ko wamaze kurangiza kwiga? I thought you had one more semester left. Nibwiraga ko usigaranye igihembwe kimwe. I took summer courses, so I finished one semester early. Nize amasomo y'impeshi, nicyo gituma narangije igihembwe kimwe kare. That's great that you got a job. Ibyo ni byiza cyane ko warabonye akazi. I'm really happy for you. Mu by'ukuri nshimishijwe nawe. Thanks, urakoze. We should get together for lunch sometime. Dukwiye kuzahura tugasangira ibya saa sita igihe runaka. Yeah, that would be great. Yego, ibyo byaba byiza. I'll call you sometime. Nzagutelefona igihe kimwe. Okay, I'll see you later. Sawa, nzakureba ubutaha. Alright, see ya. Byiza, tuzabonane.